Getting the most out of life with arthritis. Every year, millions of men and women experience the pain and discomfort of arthritis. This condition can make it very hard to function normally and carry out daily tasks. The information in these tips and tricks is sure to offer insight into the nature of this painful and common medical condition. Stay away from cigarette smoke, whether you smoke yourself or not. The nicotine contained in cigarettes could reduce the blood flow to extremities. This may reduce inflammation for the short term. Remember too, that slow circulation will also affect joint health, making your arthritis symptoms more severe. For those who suffer from osteoarthritis, it is important that you have enough vitamin C in your diet. Medical research has shown that vitamin C reduces pain in osteoarthritis patients and helps prevent it in young people. You can get vitamin C from many fruits, such as oranges, or you can take a supplement. Visit a massage therapist on a regular basis if you suffer from arthritis. The massages that these professionals perform on you will help to make your body relax and ease some of the pain in your joints. It is recommended that you visit a massage therapist every 2 weeks if you have arthritis. Though it may seem improbable, the truth is that soft music actually has the ability to alleviate arthritis symptoms. This will calm your entire body down and ease the tension throughout your body. If you are having trouble sleeping because of arthritis pain, peaceful music may help bring sleep. Whether you suffer from arthritis or know someone else who does, following the advice in this video will help you to become more well-informed about the condition. These tips are an excellent starting point for anyone who wants to find refuge from the pain and mobility limitations that often accompany arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.